Hello everyone, I'm again quoting from Kirby. I don't think anyone is forced to scale XYZ and the IVM in any one particular way, once they are both freestanding coordinate systems. However, Fuller wanted to establish a convention and made his control length equals isotropic vector matrix, toothpicks, equals 2 prime vector radius. So radius equals 1, diameter equals 2, 2 equals prime vector. So he says, Kirby saying in short that the XYZ and the isotropic vector matrix system by synergetics are two different systems, and anybody can establish whatever they want in means of relations. But Fuller wanted to make a convention and establish that the radius of this sphere be 1, prime vector be 2, and that would be the edge of this tetrahedron. And that's what Fuller wanted to go by in his system, which is fine. I believe that Kirby's statement is not quite correct. The control lengths are firm. They cannot be whatever one decides it to be, especially when comparing the XYZ and the IVM. In the Z system, the Zubek system, the radius is 0.5. A diameter of a sphere of the prime vector then is 1. Now this is my system, which is 1/8 of this one, and the edges are exactly half. So when I labeling my system, I'm gonna say the radius is 0.5 and the diameter is 1. It's a prime vector. And in synergetics, the radius is 1 and the diameter then is exactly 2, and it's called a prime vector. So then we have that, and we see that this fits exactly into this. So we can see the relation. In short, we have a 1/8 relations in volume wise. We see that there is a 1/8 relation. Equivalent ratio of two systems are not wishy-washy whatever one desires. This is firm, it doesn't change. When a Z system equals 1, synergetics equals 2. This is correct since the synergetics prime vector is 2. This is correct mathematically as well empirically. So when a rhombic hexahedra, which is this one, I'm just going to show a half. When a rhombic hexahedra is one frequency, it is exactly 1/8 of the one frequency rhombic dodecahedron. Here is our one frequency rhombic dodecahedron. I'm just going to show half just to save some time, and I don't have enough modules to do everything in full frequency. So this is a half a rhombic dodecahedron. This is a half the rhombic hexahedra. This one is 8 times smaller than that one. This is one frequency. This is one frequency. We have same frequencies. Kolsky wants to send some universal knowledge out into the space where a 2 frequency rhombic hexahedra, which is this one, so a 2 frequency rhombic hexahedra, so is equivalent to a 1 frequency rhombic dodecahedron. That's what I just showed a minute ago. This is a 1 frequency. So he wants to compare a 2 frequency rhombic hexahedra to a 1 frequency rhombic dodecahedron. We know this is 1 frequency because me and synergetics have the same rhombic dodecahedron. So this is a confusing and incorrect relation. Kolsky thinks that this is of some universal importance, not realizing he's comparing wrong frequencies, very similar to his statement that the octahedron is 4 times the coupler volume, when in true modeling, coupler is exactly twice the octahedron in volume. And we have a sheet, this is the coupler, and here is a regular octahedron. And we see that this coupler is exactly twice the octahedron in volume. We cannot argue with the model. I would like to send a warning also to Adrian, where he in his chart, he is claiming that the XYZ cube of H1, which is this one, is equivalent to a synergetics of he says that this cube of H1 is equivalent to a synergetics cube of volume 2.828427125. Well, a Zubek cube of H1 is equivalent to a non-existent synergetics cube of volume, which would be here inside of this one. And the volume of that cube in synergetics would be 0.353553391 equals 9 modules. That's why I'm saying it's non-existent. Edge of this cube is half the synergetics cube edge. This is according to the demonstrations. This cube is 1/8 of the one stated by Adrian. A Zubek cube of H2, which is this one, is equivalent to a synergetics cube of volume 2.828427125. That's the volume of R cubes. Dear friends, I'm about to release the 3 sister systems side by side. This will separate us from a usable system of applied mathematics and one system of pure mathematics. A mathematical exercise of synergetics, always confusing and always serving as the reductio ad absurdum. Drachmarer and few others I feel sincerely sorry for have devoted decades to exploring the most limited and the most restricted of all systems known to man, which is also very, very wrong. Friends, we just scratched the surface. We are in for tons of surprises. Just please watch. Thank you all.